screen is visible to all? Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. Okay. Sanket, Isha, screen is visible to you as well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So in the previous class, we did with the different type of roof, and there was only one type of roof that was remaining, which was the dormer roof, I guess so. Dormer roof. So let's try to create this type of dormer roof and see how we can create the roof system. Okay. A dormer roof is generally that is used in the attics rooms. So if you have an attic floor and then you have wanted to create a roof as well, and another viewing window room as well. Okay, so we use, so very quickly I'm going to create some walls and some slab inside this. Come in the one of the elevation view. You can rename this level. Create a couple of more levels as well. So we have these levels. We have the ground level, the attic level, or you can call this as roof level as well. And we have the rooftop level. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly come on that ground level and create some walls. Make sure that I create up till the attic level. Add a couple of windows. Some door as well. So I have this wall and window inside this level. Add a bit more details as well, like slab for the ground level and slab for the attic floor. The ground level, going to create a slab. Lock these lines. Slab for that given level. attic के लिए भी बना लेते हैं. attic level with kitchen slab. Lock these sketch lines. We'll take the attach command so that all of these walls gets attached to the base of the slab actually basically. So almost there. Then we need to create a roof on that attic level, and then we have these smaller roof as well that needs to come out. Okay, and they have walls as well. So first I'll create this main roof. Okay, so just create that main roof first. So I'll come into the attic level and going to take the architectural tab, take the roof command. I'm going to take roof by footprint. ठीक है, पहले तो मेन रूफ क्रिएट कर लेंगे. So I'm taking roof by footprint. And in this, I'm going to take a rectangular shape and take a little offset. Let's get 200 offset. Roof type, I'm going to take generic 125 thicker. Draw that lines. Now, actually, I don't need this sloping direction on this side of the sketch plane. Select undefine the slope. Undefine the slope. So we have only two side slope. Click on the finish editing mode. Complete. So we'll get that main roof. It is ready. Then you can come back and adjust the height of this main roof to let rooftop height level. Right. So we have that main roof is being created. Now I need to create these smaller outwards roof and walls first. So first I'll create the wall and then I'll create this room that roof that is there for that particularly walls. So I'll gonna come into this level, the attic level, to build that wall over there. Right, so come the attic floor level, and maybe I'll just draw a wall right over here. Right. Switch this to wireframe mode to actually see the bottom walls basically. Pick the wall command. Only created on three sides actually. You see that wall has been drawn or built. Then we need to create the roof on the top of these walls basically. So I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to select these walls This wall is going up to the rooftop level, which is of 2400 mm. So I'm gonna unconnect this wall and slightly reduce the height of the wall. So I'm gonna make this to 2100 mm. Or maybe less, maybe 2000. Fine. It's a little lesser. Now we wanted to actually create the roof for these walls. You can like stretch this whole wall. It's actually till it gets in totally. So we have a little gap. Now we need to create the roof on the top. So for that, could come into the level, the attic level, and I can create the roof right over here. Okay. Take the roof command. Take roof by footprint. Once again, I'm going to take a rectangular shape. Maybe I'm going to give an offset of 150 this time. If you want 200, you can offset this to 200 mm. Once again, I'm going to create a roof on this top of the wall. तो ये पॉइंट से ऑफसेट लिया मैंने 200 mm का. जस्ट एक ऑफसेट रूफ क्रिएट किया हुआ है. Right, then it depends, like if you want slope on all direction you can choose to have. Maybe I don't want on the front and the back direction slope, only on the two side direction में slope चाहिए. So we can select this, undefine the slope, undefine the slope. You have slope on the two sides. Right, and now when I hit on the finish mode, we'll have, it says, do you wish to attach the walls to the roof? So I'll say yes, we do. Okay, and now what happens is this is what's happening. Wall height actually goes very smaller, and the roof, like, it's just because I've created on this attic level, on the same level. Okay, so I might have to either offset from that level, that roof height to be offset, or might have to change the level. Okay, I can take it to the rooftop level. Okay, but what will happen, it will run away from the main roof actually. Back to 2000, which was originally what was the wall height actually. Okay. It runs out of my roof, so gonna bring the let it more down, 1500 mm. Okay. Almost there, slightly little bit more, or maybe I can just bring down its sloping a little lesser. Perfect, that's fine. But now we have 2-3 problems. One is that side, the main roof actually. So it should stopped to this roof over here that we have. Is like maintained inside main roof actually. So now to see this roof, pending roof, we're going to use a tool. So when you come into the modify tool, modify tab, okay, you'll find an option over here which is called join unjoin roof command. join and join roof. Okay, so I'm going to pick that. So I'm wanted to join this roof end to this roof over here. So first I'm going to select this roof end and I'll pick this roof face. You can see now it gets joined and it's like stop going inside my main roof. Now we have a second problem is that these walls. Okay, this wall is like even like going inside this roof actually. It should like stopped on this face of this roof actually. So I'm going to select this wall. Maybe these two walls. I'm going to take this command that is called attach top base. And when you take attach top base command, we'll select base this time because we want to attach the base to this main roof over here. So the base of the wall should be attached to the main roof actually. So I'm going to take base command from here on the top, and then we're gonna pick this roof. Okay. Now you see that wall is not even coming inside that part. Now somewhere over here this wall is like overcoming or overshooting it basically there. Same over here as well. So we can once again select and take the attached top base, touch it like it's already there, but it's like slightly extended. So this wall needs to slightly reduce. So once again I can come in the attic level, select this wall and slightly bit I'll just push it back. Still needs to come back. So what I can do is I can come into the view menu or the view tab, and I can use this option which is called tile view. So it like split my screen in all the views. Okay, so maybe I don't want to view the ground level, so I'll off that. That's the north elevation view. I don't want to view that as well. So that's my plan view, and that's the 3D view. Both views fine. So once again I can take tile view to like put it side by side, and now I can like select over here, and if I try to drag this a little bit more back, it will update me and we can see simultaneously both the views. So that is perfect. We need to sort for this wall. Right, so problem solved. So this roof is now joined with this roof, and these walls are been attached to this main roof as well. Okay, but there will be a slight one more problem in this now, that the main roof has not been cut. You can see it's like it's not cutting for that dormer options basically.
Could you please actually just re-show how did you cut the wall?
Cut the wall actually. This part you're talking
Yes.
about. Isha, ये पूछ रहे हो?
Yes. The wall
Okay.
part.
Let me just do one thing. I'll just select both the walls and I'll detach it. So generally what happens now, your wall is actually penetrating through your main roof actually. So to solve this problem, what we did, we selected that walls, the walls, and we use this option which was called as attach top base command. So pick that option, attach top base. Now from the attach top base command, we'll pick base as an option because we want to stop the base of the wall to the main roof. So pick the base command and then select the roof, the main roof actually. Get it, cut it and stop over there.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now there's one more issue was that this main roof is not cutting actually, so that we can go into this view actually. Okay, so like if I even add a window over here, so I'm gonna go and add a window, and I'm gonna add a fixed window over here maybe right over here. So we can actually see that this, we cannot see the attic actually from that window, so which is supposed to allow me to see that attic actually. So to cut this roof now, we're gonna use a tool that is called opening tool, and in opening tool we have an option over here that is called dormer opening, which will allow me to cut that roof, okay, that shape of that dormer roof that we have created. Right, so I'm going to pick the dormer opening. So when you take the dormer opening tool, what you need to do is be very careful while you're using dormer opening roof. Okay, see, when I pick this tool, I need to select on which object I need to create an opening. So I'll be selecting this main roof, because we want to create an opening into this roof, okay, the main roof basically. I'm going to select that main roof, pick that. So when I picked it, it will take me to the sketch mode. Now in the sketch mode, what do you need to pick? So you need to pick this roof edges. So first, I'm going to pick this outer edge of the roof, or you can switch this to wireframe mode as well. Let me close this window. So I'm going to switch this to wireframe mode. Now I need to pick this internal line. You can see this internal line and this internal line. So I'm going to take pick command, pick this internal line of face, this internal line of face, this internal edge of the wall, from the other side as well, this internal edge of the wall, and from here as well we pick the internal edge of this wall as well. Pick it. So you can see we got that lines now. Okay, but this needs to be connect and joint basically. That is, right now they are extended slightly, so I'm going to take trim extend to corners, and I can trim in cornered in. You have a clean cutout will be created in that shape, okay, in that specific roofing. We can now even switch this mode to constraint colors. And then I'm going to click on the finish edit mode to complete. And now if you see in the roof, you have a cut opening in the main roof actually. You have that cut opening. even close these ends actually with a wall. You can come in the attic room on the attic floor, create the walls for this side. Select this wall, take the attached top base, attach the top to this wall. Same on this end as well. Got ready. Even if I show you the section 3D view, dormer roof. For your project. You can slightly adjust that height of that roof.
Sir,
Yeah,
there is some space between the slab and the roof in the
there
corner.
will be soffit coming over here.
Okay.
Okay, so we haven't done this yet.
In the left side, wait. In the left side, yeah, it
This
is
no,
not connected. Yeah.
we need to create
Vertical.
another wall over here.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
understood.
and that will be attached till here. Okay,
Okay, understood. Yeah.
so I've not created the other walls over here that needs to become.
Okay.
The boundary wall is not created.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, so you can try with this first. See what happens. Then in the next class, I'll show you how do we add the soffit and the other components of the roofing basically. Okay, and after the component of roofing, we're going to add the detailing of roof like the pattern putty, rafts, okay, the wooden things basically, the beams for the roofing actually. Okay,
Yeah, okay, sir.
only thing is when you're taking the dormer opening, it's little tricky, but once you get practice, you can try. So for time being, you can try different type of dormer roofing. On Google, you'll find many type of dormer roofing. Okay. The one that I was trying to create was these ones, sort of. You can try with different shapes. Maybe you can try with these ones. You can see it has only one side slope basically.
Yeah, yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Then you can try these ones. So I want you to try this type actually,
One-sided slope.
one-sided slope, or maybe it can be have a flat also. So it's like
Flatted.
no,
Yeah.
yeah,
Understood.
no slope at all. Okay, try that out.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Thank you so
Welcome, Isha.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sanket. Thank you.